guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good and happy new moon today. So today is snow moon and all the negative energies will be out and soon thing will be changing around into a very positive side. So let's hope for the best and I'll be doing a collective reading for you all. So we'll be checking out what's coming towards you in love and in career both. Okay, so let's check out with the first oracle cards. I'll be using my oracle for my both love readings. So oracle, then I'll be moving to tarot, then I'll be moving again to my tarot for my career. So let's hit with our oracle cards. Angel Spirit, please guide me what's coming towards my viewers out here. Who's coming towards my viewers? Is it an or X or is it an X? Or who can be? Who's coming towards my viewers out here? My subscribers, my followers, my colleagues, everyone out here, even myself. So let's see who's coming towards you. Angel Spirit, please guide me who's coming towards my viewers out here. Okay, let your friends help you. I feel like this person will come by taking your friends help right now, or right now they are like confirming about you something, या आपके बारे में पता लगा रहे हैं बहुत कुछ अपने दोस्त लोगों से, आपके कज़न या रिलेटिव से अगर ये टच में है तो, और अदरवाइज यू कैन ऑल्सो बी इन द सेम energies. I feel like you guys are in no contact situation for most of you. So let's see who's coming towards you. Angel Spirit, who's coming towards my viewers after new moon. Okay, this person will be soon expressing their love when they come towards you, and this person also feel very love towards you. This person is planning some honeymoon with you right now. If you are married right now, you may go to honeymoon with this person first or second time, third time. General reading, guys, take what resonates with you. Or you might be traveling with this person. This person can travel and come towards to you. Okay, so let's see what is more there for you in love. Who's coming towards my viewers out here? Even you could be in same energy, guys. This is a general reading, so please take what resonate with you, rest leave behind. So reconciliation. Okay, most of you, this person can be or from your past. Okay, for others this person want union from you. So who's coming for my viewers out here? I feel like you guys are opening your mind right now. This card came reverse, so this card is for you. You guys are opening your mind right now for this person. Very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So I feel like this person is confused right now for you, and this is your true love. OMG. Wow. So this is your true love, guys. So you don't need to be confused. अगर आप confused रहोगे तो ये जो आपके person है वो भी यहाँ से confused रहेंगे आपके.
Why am I looking at you?
Your true love, and this is meant to be.
You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh.
Okay, now let's start. Angel Spirit, please guide me who's coming towards my viewers out here. Mature men, number 5. I feel like for most of you ladies out here, you can deal with a mature man. This could be 5 years elder to you or 8 years elder to you, or this person can be mature from their mind. Right now you both are going in a pathway. You are going on a healing process. You can see lots of butterflies out here. Number 11 a lot. 35, 14 and 5 can be relevant for you. 14 and 5 can be your birth date or this person birth date. Okay, so you can see lots of butterflies right now. 11 11 5 5 5 number a lot. Number 29, improvement. So this person is feeling like they want to come towards to you, but they are right now stopping themselves. Otherwise this person is like they want to come towards to you. They feel hungry for you. They want to eat you basically. Okay, I won't take this card, angel. Okay, unexpected income. Okay, when this person will be entering to your life, I feel like luck will be changing in your life too, because there will be unexpected income. This man could be a wealthy man for sure. Number 27 could be their birth date. Number 26, great fortune. So you both are, I think so, made for each other. You are like twin flame soulmate connection over here. This person sees you like an eye on a person, like you, they honor you a lot for your professional work, for your work. So let's see more, what is more there for you. Number 25, 26, 27 can be your age or your birth date or some number in your birth chart circle, guys, according to astrology. So there is a court house. This card wanted to come out a lot. So definitely this person can be in a law for sure, or I won't take those three cards. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Who's coming towards my viewers? Okay, number 34, occupation. So this person can be a very hardworking person. Even to say you that you are working very hard for your career, professional. Now let's see. Third is marriage. So this person definitely wants to marry you, and this person sees you as their main female. So definitely you both will be having like marriage soon, within 3 years for some. For others, like you can get around 3 months or coming this year with this person. So let's see what our moon tarot says. Then we shift to moonology cards. So angel spirit, please guide me. What is there for my viewers? Who's coming towards them? Angel spirit, please guide me. Who's coming towards my viewers? Is it X or is it an next? Or who is coming towards my viewers right now? Okay, there is 7 of Swords reverse. ये आई थिंक सो आपसे पहले फीलिंग छुपा रहे थे, पर अब फीलिंग्स नहीं छुपाने वाले. Yes, this person will not hide feelings from you anymore. This is 10 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant. You can see number 10, 10, 10 a lot, 11, 11 a lot, number 7, 7. आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा सिग्नलाइज कर रहे हो एक दूसरे को, इस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा मिररिंग कर रहे हो मेरे हिसाब से. ओ नंबर 3, आई फील लाइक ये जो है ये अभी बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्किंग हो रखे हैं. प्लस लाइक दिस पर्सन इज़ वेरी, they are feeling very much insecure from inside. Maybe you are in a no contact zone, but this person is like they want to get out of their zone of being silent and coming towards to you, not hiding feelings. For most of you, them they could even lie also. For most of you, for others they are opening their feelings and they are working hard definitely, and they will come towards to you expressing their feelings. Right now this person is feeling heartbroken because you might have unfollowed them or unfriend them, or you might have said okay, go out, if you are not there so don't be with me. You might have put them lots of boundaries out. The devil, oh Scorpio. So yes, this person is definitely addicted to you. ये आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा addicted है एंड ये आपके बिना रह नहीं पा रहे हैं इस वक्त. मैंने बोला ना ये अपनी फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस करने वाले हैं आपको. So who is the person coming out here for my viewers? I won't take so many cards, spirits. Please guide me with one card. Okay, this card wants to come out, the Hermit. Oh, I feel like this person is still confused, but yeah, definitely like this person will come towards to you, because they are like right now they are feeling in very low energy right now. Even you can be even in a low energy, or they are feeling so much confused like when you will contact them or when they will be coming towards to you. Oh, there is 10 of Cups. So I told you, no, this person wants to get married to you, and yeah, they are seeing you like as a family. ये आपको अपने फैमिली की तरह देखते हैं. ये आपसे बच्चे प्लान कर रहे हैं, and most of you can get here 2 babies, girl and boy for sure. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Page of Wands. For most of you, this person can be younger by age and they are seeking you right now. And ये आपको सोच बहुत रहे हैं इस वक्त. मैं ये भी देख पा रही हूँ like this person wants to travel towards to you right now. पर अभी मजबूरी में है बिकॉज ये अपने हार्ड वर्क करने में जचे हुए हैं. ये आपको बहुत ज़्यादा स्टॉक कर रहे हैं सोशल मीडिया में इस वक्त. ओके, आई गॉट 3 cards, so I'll take all 3. Queen of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. ओके, आई फील लाइक ये आपको लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा क्वीन के रूप में देख रहे हैं. आप बहुत ज़्यादा रॉयल है इनके लिए. प्लस लाइक फॉर अदर्स आई फील लाइक देयर मदर, सम ऑफ देम आर हैविंग लाइक मदर इश्यूज मे बी. So they could be even Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This person could have even a dog. This person is manifesting you a lot. ये आपको बहुत ज़्यादा manifest कर रहे हैं इस वक्त. And judgment, yes. So universe is also helping them somehow. Like they are guiding them. They are taking help from their universe because there is a star card and there is a judgment. So this person will definitely contact you soon, guys. Don't lose hope. Universe is saying you to don't lose hope because even they love you a lot, and this person will be taking leap of faith for sure. Right now they are in a hermit mode also. They want to come towards you and then they stop themselves, but soon their feelings will be coming out now. Their feelings will be coming out. And there is a 2 of Cups. This person definitely loves you guys and they seek so much of love towards you. Now we'll see what is going on with your career. I'll take my another tarot cards, guys, for this reading. So let's see what is towards your career. Angel Spirit, please guide me what is there for my viewers regarding their career. Okay, the High Priestess. Most of you can here be a psychic over here. You can be a tarot card reader over here. So you could also, like, angels are telling you to, like, you have to work with your intuition regarding your work, your career. So let's see what is more there for you in career for my viewers. 3 of Swords, reverse. I felt like most of you are having so much of headaches right now. You are dealing with so much of struggle, financial issues. There could even be a politics in your work right now for most of you. Okay, 8 of Pentacles. So you are definitely working hard for your money right now and you are growing in a good way. So there is 3 of Wands, guys. So my this card fall down. So yeah, there is 2 of Rods, sorry. So yeah, you are waiting for right time, like when you will be getting success over career. But yeah, you will be getting out of your struggle right now. Right now you have to work with your intuition and you have to keep on working hard, because if while you work hard and focus on yourself, your wait will be definitely will be over. Your blockage will be finished. So what is there for career for my viewers? You could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Virgo, yeah, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, 5 of Swords. So yes, your work will be definitely will be getting over now. You will be like moving very faster soon for your any deal or any work or any job. You might get even promoted. Page of Cups. You don't need to get scared, guys, or nervous, because everything is working out for you right now. And so Scorpio, Pisces. So mostly all signs are here because this is collective reading. So yeah, you don't need to be like nervous, curious, like why it is not happening, because your way will be definitely will be getting over now by 8 of Swords. So let's see, King of Rods. I told you, your work will be coming very faster. Your hard work will be paying off. So you not need to be feel scared, because you are like very innocent child. For most of you are very innocent and you get like too much into politics very fast, and definitely you are getting out of the Chariot mode. So you are trying to make balance now. You will be making balance. So let's see what my Moon Oracle says for you all. What is coming towards my viewers in career and love? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What sign you will give to my viewers? What guidance you want to tell? Okay, step out of your comfort zone. I got this card. And your commitment is being tested. So whatever it is regarding love, I feel like your commitment is being tested right now. Universe is testing you both. So that's why you both guys being separated right now. And regarding your career, you have to step out of your comfort zone. Even you have to work harder. You don't have to like be like nervous or insecure like you are, or you are waiting for anything good to happen. Yes, universe will be definitely giving you good, but even you don't have to feel scared. You have to like work with your intuition and go out of your comfort zone. Step out of your comfort zone. North node. So your north node is right now is saying you like you have to work out of your comfort zone, because there will be struggle in your north node right now. So today is like full moon, so yeah, let's see what is coming more there for you, my viewers. Okay, a new start is coming. Definitely there will be a new start. I told you, like, there is a star card and many good cards out here today. Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and Chariot reverse. So look at the bigger picture. I am finding like you are like stuck in your past or stuck in old person. So I feel like universe is saying you कि आपको बड़ी पिक्चर देखनी चाहिए खुद की लाइफ की, एंड यू शुड एक्सप्लोर विद इन यू एंड व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन योर लाइफ. ओके, you could be Sagittarius, moon rising. So believe in the impossible. So yeah, this came in reverse. So I feel believe in possible. Okay, so you have to believe things will be happening for you. Let's see more. What is more there for you? Spirit, I don't want this. A time to give rather than take. So you have to definitely give. You have to work on charity. अगर आपके पैसे आपको डर है कि खर्च हो रहे हैं तो उनको होने दीजिए अभी, बिकॉज अभी पैसे आपके पास आएंगे खूब ज़्यादा. सो यू कुड बी मून राइजिंग वर्गो टू. So I feel like your north node can be in a Virgo or Sagittarius. So right now this thing will happen definitely. So your hard work is paying off. I told you कि आपका hard work pay off होने वाला है बहुत जल्द. New moon in Capricorn. Your moon rising can be even a Capricorn. So check out your birth charts. So definitely your hard work is paying off right now. Whatever hard work you did in past or present, universe is watching you guys. So your hard work is paying off. So this was my collective reading. Hope my reading resonated with you. Let me know on comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel at the rate of Mysterious Girl Soumya. If you want to do your personal reading, you can definitely do. And if you want to donate my channel extra with your personal reading, you're most welcome here, and I will be very, very glad and very, very grateful to you all. So thank you and happy new moon once again. Thank you and love you a lot, guys. Bye bye.